Which squishy dumpling are you? Original, pink, gold or rainbow? Welcome back to Maham Whitey. In today's quiz, we have 100 of fun choices for you. You have to just grab your favorite option, count your score and wait the result to find out your squishy dumpling. Let's start! Which dream bat would you choose? A white bat, a rainbow bat, a golden bat or a pink bat? Don't forget to add up your score. What would you do on a rainy day? Read a book, dance in the rain, sleep, or bake cookies? Choose your dream backpack. A golden backpack, a pink backpack, a white backpack or a rainbow backpack? Which one have you grabbed? Your friend lost his squishy dumpling. What would you do? Buy one for him, help him find it, cheer him up, or hug him? Add up your score. What would you rather choose? A rotten moldy dumpling. Ew, it's so dirty. Or this cute pink white dumpling by just liking the video. I would never choose that rotten moldy dumpling. Smash that like button to avoid that moldy dumpling. Which magical pet would you adopt? A unicorn, a dragon, a bunny, or a panda? Add up the score. Which squishy dumpling would you play with? A rainbow dumpling, a steamed dumpling, a pink dumpling, or a gold dumpling? They all are so cute. Pick your favorite dessert. An ice cream, donuts, a cake, or some cookies? Choose a dream vacation, a space vacation, a beach vacation, mountain vacation, or a candy world vacation? Which one is your favorite? Which yummy dumpling would you eat? Steamed dumpling, pink dumpling, colorful dumplings, or fried dumplings? Which birthday cake would you pick? Dog pink cake, a golden cake, a unicorn cake, or a vanilla cake? I would love to eat them all. Which color makes you happiest? Yellow, blue, rainbow, or pink? Add up your score. Which hobby sounds most fun to you? Drawing, reading, cooking, or gardening? I personally love to draw. What would you rather choose? The smashed dumpling in the trash. Ew, it's so smelly. Or this cute steamed dumpling just by subscribing the channel. I would never pick that dumpling from the trash. It's so smelly. Yuck. Smash the subscribe button now to avoid that smelly smashed dumpling. Pick your summer's drink. Strawberry drink, a rainbow cocktail, a lemon drink, or a chocolate drink? Add up your points. Choose your dream house. A rainbow house, a gold house, a pink glass house, or a blue house? They all are so luxury. Which swimming pool would you choose? A simple pool, a golden pool, a pink pool, or this rainbow pool? Add up your points. Which superpower would you love? Fly, time travel, invisibility, or freeze time? I would love to fly. Choose your bicycle. A golden bicycle, a rainbow one, a black one, or a pink one? Add up the points. Which animal would be your best friend? A dolphin, a puppy, an owl, or a butterfly? Pick your dream closet. A pink closet, a golden closet, a grey closet, or a colorful closet? Pink one is my dream closet. you won 1 million, what would you buy first? Buy a house, buy toys, travel, or charity? What would you do first? Which weather do you enjoy the most? Snowfall, rainbow, sunshine, or rainfall? I love rainfall. Choose your dream gaming room, a rainbow gaming room, a golden gaming room, a pink gaming room, or a blue gaming room. I love that pink one. Which amusement ride would you try first? A Ferris wheel, a roller coaster, a carousel, or a water slide? I love water slides. Which magical place would you visit? Moon, Fairy Forest, Candy World, underwater? Add up your points. Which snack would you choose? Popcorn, chocolates, chips, or fruits? Fruits are healthy choices. Pick your dream shoes. Black shoes, golden shoes, rainbow shoes, or pink shoes? I'm obsessed with pink. Choose your dream study room. A golden study room, a pink one, a green one, or a black one? These all are quite peaceful. Pick your dream car. Golden car, pink car, rainbow car, or a black car? I love black cars. Choose your dream pet house. A pink pet house, a white one, a rainbow one, or a golden one? Rainbow one is quite cute. Which party would you join? Pajama party, princess party, pool party, or a space party? points. It's time for results. Are you guys ready? Score 300 to 450 are the original dumpling. Score 460 to 650 are the pink dumpling. Score 660 to 900 are the golden dumplings. Score 910 to 1200 are the rainbow dumplings. Which one is yours? Comment down. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.